Welcome to vehicleaccessoryreviews.com. So today you're with us as we're going to install the Fumoto Oil Drain Valve. So we've just finished draining the last of our engine oil, and we're now going to proceed with the installation of the valve. The washer is in place, and we have not yet installed the safety clip because we're going to need the grooves that you see here to tighten the valve with the wrench. Important to never over tighten, but still don't leave it loose. Just ensure the right tightness. There we go. And it's on. And now the final step, we're going to install the safety clip on the oil drain valve. There you go. So now there's no risk that the Fumoto drain valve will accidentally open. Safety clip locks it into place. And as you can see, the nipple doesn't stick out very much. There's no risk of obstruction or risk that it could cause any clearance problems underneath the car. So the part itself fits very well on, and the nipple, as we said, doesn't seem to be causing any obstruction at all. So there you have it. Fumoto oil drain valve installed.